How to withdraw money from Cash App without a card.
Hello viewers. Today, we're going to walk you through how to withdraw money from your Cash App account without using a card. This method is quite straightforward, so let's get started.
Do you have a Cash App account?
Before we start, make sure that you have a Cash App account and there is money available to withdraw. You can check your account balance at the bottom of your screen.
Transferring to your bank account.
Cash App allows you to transfer money directly to your bank account. Here are the steps you can follow to do this. 1. Open the Cash App on your phone. 2. Tap on the dollar icon at the bottom of the screen. 3. Tap on Cash Out at the bottom. 4. Choose the desired amount that you want to withdraw and tap on the Cash Out button at the bottom. 5. Choose between Standard, which takes 1 to 3 business days and is free, or Instant, which is immediate and has a fee. 6. If you're asked to link a bank account, follow the prompts to do so. This method will allow you to have your money available in your bank account. From there, you can withdraw it at your bank's local branch or ATM.
Are there other options?
Yes, there is another option if you do not have a bank account or don't want to transfer to a bank. You can also send the money to a trusted friend or family member who can then withdraw it for you. Just make sure this is someone you trust completely as you're dealing with your money. And there you have it. With these steps, you can withdraw money from your Cash App account without needing a card. We hope this guide has been helpful and has made your Cash App experience even more convenient. As always, ensure you are handling your financial information securely, and happy transacting.